We are here at the Century Center. Wow. Look at this. Bounce. Look at the access switches. They're circles.
These are really nice.
Listen.
I filled my water.
Good for you.
How'd it sound up at the top?
Very nice. Adam's call station.
There's two services.
No. Those are just random. I don't know what those are.
Oh. It's covered.
Oh, this one is
What? Different.
yeah.
It's like darker. Or it's like brighter.
No, this one's just normal polished. The other one's like brass.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, actually, no. The other one was regular chrome, but it just looked darker because the wood in the other walls was reflecting. This is just reflecting the gray pad, so the gray pad, so it just looks brighter. Actually.